Hey everyone, this is David from TradeDog. I hope you're having a really good day. So I've just been reviewing our research and analytics report for the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving, for those of you who don't know, is about to occur around May time this year. So certainly within the next month to 6 weeks maximum, we will be seeing the rewards that a miner for transacting or carrying out the transactions between buyers and sellers, or sending and receiving Bitcoin, their rewards will be halved. It's a big event. So if you can imagine from an inflationary perspective, it's making them even more scarce. And history will tell us that the price of Bitcoin will rise dramatically because of this event. So let's analyze really, really quickly what happened during the first and second Bitcoin halvings. So if you looked at the first halving, which occurred in 2012, of course it was the very first one. Nobody necessarily knew or had any ideas what could happen, but theoretically we would assume that it would go up in price, and it did. So to put that into perspective in the real world, if you had invested just $100 in Bitcoin at its low before the first halving and sold at the top at the peak after the first halving, you could have turned that $100 into $120,000 to $130,000. Massive, massive gains. And similar to the second halving, again, if you had bought at the low prior to that second halving and sold at the high, again, you were looking at around $100 investment would have returned again around $120,000. Massive gains. Now, if we look at today, there's some unique things going on. Every time the halving occurs, the rewards get cut even more or reduced even more. So this time it's a bigger reduction. So the assumption would be that actually the price should go up much, much higher, because it would be unprofitable or less profitable for people to invest their time and their money into mine the Bitcoin. So therefore, supply and demand metrics come into place. And it's like anything. If there's less people supplying, then the demand will increase. And that is no more true than in the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin mining space. Add to the fact that right now we're in this huge economic uncertainty position in the stock market and the general markets, where we're having huge inflation, hyperinflation activity, where the central banks are printing huge $1 trillion amounts of fiat currency, which again forces people into thinking about putting their money into hedges that hold their value. Bitcoin, gold, silver, these other things, they are an absolute undoubted certainty that some of that money that's looking for a safe haven to hold its capital will move into this space. I think it's the perfect storm. I encourage everybody to first register, if you haven't already, an account with TradeDog. Please go into the resource center. Check out the Bitcoin halving research report now. Understand why this is potentially an investment opportunity of a lifetime, and do your research. And from that basis, I wish you a great day. Please check it out now. Take care.